Hi. If your Parkside battery won't charge and has blinking red and green lights, there is a big chance you can fix it by yourself with simple tools. Unscrew the battery and disassemble it to access the cells. Use a multimeter to check the voltage of each cell row. There are 5 series in this battery, and we need to check all of them. As we can see, the first cells have a low voltage of 3.25 volts. We need to charge them to 4.02 volts to match all the other cells. You can use any lithium-ion charger to charge these batteries. I am using a cheap eBay charger and connecting it with alligator clips. Make sure you connect the positive and negative sides of the batteries correctly to charge them properly and prevent any problems. If you don't know which is positive and negative on the 18650 battery, please check the video in the description. As you can see, the voltage is increasing. You can either wait until you charge it to 4.02 volts, as in my case, or you can charge it to full and then discharge it to the desired voltage. I left the charger overnight, and it charged my batteries to 4.2 volts. Now I am discharging them with a car bulb. I find it easier to wait for 1 hour to discharge the battery to the correct voltage than waiting for 5 hours to charge it to the desired voltage. Now, assemble the battery and try to charge it.